The great thing about real estate investing is that you can choose a strategy to serve your need when your investment objectives change. Hi, welcome to my channel. In our last week video, I shared about my experience investing in real estate markets that offer high growth to increase my net worth and equity. Today, I will talk about how you can invest money in income-producing properties that generate enough monthly cash flow, income that can cover all of your necessary rental and personal expenses. So you can choose to work or partially take semi-retirements as you wish. I will share some real estate markets that can offer the steady stream of cash flow income when you can run the numbers and invest in a project that meets your investment criteria. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. My name is Corey Ann and I'm a real estate investor since 2001. I make videos to share my real estate investment journey that got me financial independence after 8 years of investing in cash flow properties. I hope to inspire you to invest in cash flow real estate so you too can achieve financial independence, build a legacy, and make an impact on people around you. As soon as we welcome our second son into this world, my real estate investing objectives shifted heavily toward earning cash flow income than growing our net worth. Despite I really enjoy working on the mortgage business, our son's well-being and growth became my top priority. The great thing about real estate investing is that you can choose a strategy to serve your need when your investment objectives change. I will run a couple of income-producing property scenarios so you can see how all of the numbers works and how I was able to find real estate markets where I could exchange our growth project into many steady stream of income-producing properties. Before I talk about specific numbers, let me share with you two basic and common scenarios on how you can use your equity in the high growth property to buy a cash flow income producing property. The first way is a cash out refinance. Cash out refinance on your high growth property where you are likely to have a lot of equity and use the cash out to buy another cash flow property. The second way is a 1031 exchange. Here you sell your first high growth property and exchange it for the cash flow property. In either scenarios, you should consider acquiring wholesale properties below market value to capture day one equity gain and yield a higher cash on cash return on your investment when you start to look at your next property to purchase. Let's look at some numbers. Example, cash out refinance scenarios. The purchase price of this one is about $150,000. Appreciated property values is $320,000. Cash out refinance about $240,000. Pay off $140,000 mortgage balance. Net bring home income after closing costs is about $90,000. Use the $90,000 to purchase a new cash flow property. A new cash flow property purchase price between $80,000 to $90,000. The market value about $120,000 to $130,000. The built-in equity is at $40,000. Monthly cash flow after expenses about $700 to $750 per month. The yearly cash flow about $8,400 to $9,000 a year. Yearly cash on cash return here is about 10%. The second way is 1031 exchange scenario. You sell your high growth property and then reinvest the capital gain into a cash flow income producing property. The purchase price is about $170,000. The fair market value is about $300,000. Net capital gain proceed is about $120,000. Reinvesting the total net capital gain proceeds of $120,000 to acquire one cash flow property, buying with cash, that generate yearly cash-on-cash return on the invested capital investment at 10%. This one property generates $12,000 cash-on-cash income annually. Now you can see how you can transition from investing in high-growth property into cash flow income producing property in two ways, where you can earn a higher cash-on-cash return on your invested net capital investment, where you have a stream of cash flow income that cover 100% of your personal expenses. You will no longer need to work if you choose not to, as your cash flow income producing properties do its job to serve your tenants by providing safe housing for them to live and build their own family. This property also provides you with a stream of passive income that keep on coming. If you are a few years away from your retirement, then focus to invest in cash flow income producing properties, where you can earn 8 to 12% on your invested money. For example, if you have a cash account of $1 million and your projected annual expenses about $80,000 to $100,000, then you should look for a real estate market that can produce 8 to 10% cash-on-cash return. And some of the potential real estate market can be like Kansas City, Cleveland, Columbus, Oklahoma, St. Louis, Huntsville. Real estate market is local, so you must run your own numbers to verify the numbers return and make sure the city can produce the cash-on-cash return that you are looking for. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, then click the thumb up button and share it with others. Thank you for doing so. Share with me in the comment below what other real estate market you like and what kind of cash flow potential you are seeing. Thank you so much for watching. Let's learn, invest, and make an impact. Ciao.